Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. Why was the IP address blocked by Fortinet? Option A. The IP address had consecutive SSH login failures to Fortinet. Option B. The IP address had consecutive telnet login failures to Fortinet. Option C. The IP address had consecutive SMTPS login failures to Fortinet. Option D. The IP address had consecutive HTTPS login failures to Fortinet. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. The IP address had consecutive SMTPS login failures to Fortinet. Question 2. Refer to the exhibit. Which two statements about this SMTP session are true? Choose 2. Option A. The subject is part of the message header. Option B. The 250 message accepted for delivery message is part of the message body. Option C. The 220 MX internal lab ESMTP SMTPD message is part of the SMTP banner. Option D. The SMTP envelope addresses are different from the message header addresses. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The subject is part of the message header. Option C. The 220 MX internal lab ESMTP SMTPD message is part of the SMTP banner. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.